Hi, what's up guys? My name is Briggs. I'm a model with Wilhelmina and this is my 5-minute makeup look when I'm getting ready to go out after Fashion Week. The first thing I'm going to do is use this hydration serum by Verso. My skin just gets super dry in the winter. And just put it like wherever I need it on my face. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is use this cream eyeshadow by Chanel. I just use my finger and just rub it in like all over my lid. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use is this Hourglass eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use this color because it adds more of like a base for a smoky eye. And now I'm going to follow that up with using these two with the more flat brush and just work it into the crease. And I'm also going to use it a little bit like underneath. To be honest, I'm not really like the best at makeup, so whenever I mess up, I just use the lighter color and just kind of like blend everything. It kind of just like fixes whatever you did. So I'm going to use Chanel mascara now. This is the one thing that I'm actually good at. And I like to do my top lashes and my bottom lashes because I'm super fair skinned, so it really just makes my eyes pop when I do my bottom lashes also. So for my lips, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Balmain lipstick, and I just like a slight tint, so I just put it on my finger and rub it in instead of using it. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is use this Kevyn Aucoin gloss. I like to use it as a highlighter, so I just put a little bit on my hand, and I use it on my eyelids right here. It just adds a little bit of depth and shine. And then I like to use it on my lips. Okay, well that's it. I'm ready to go. My Uber is waiting.